Today I am reviewing the NIMO 15.6-inch FHD IPS laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you are looking for a new daily driver laptop, the market can feel incredibly crowded. Most of the time, you are forced to make a hard compromise. You either pay a massive premium for a well-known brand name, or you settle for a cheap budget machine that slows down the second you open more than 3 browser tabs. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a machine that completely disrupts this dynamic. The NIMO 15.6-inch Full HD laptop. Configured with an Intel Core i5-12450H processor, a massive 32 GB of RAM, and a full 1 TB solid-state drive. This machine positions itself as a powerhouse built specifically for remote professionals, college students, and digital nomads. Right out of the box, NIMO makes a strong impression regarding reliability. They offer a full 2-year manufacturer warranty along with a 90-day hassle-free return policy. Furthermore, NIMO emphasizes that their laptops undergo final assembly right here in the United States using rigorously tested components to ensure premium quality. For an up-and-coming brand, providing that level of long-term assurance is a huge statement, giving you the kind of peace of mind that usually costs extra with older tech giants. Let us dive straight into what makes this machine move, and that is the performance core. Under the hood, this laptop is driven by the 12th generation Intel Core i5-12450H processor. This is an 8-core high-performance chip that can boost up to 4.4 GHz. Now, do not let the i5 label fool you into thinking this is mid-tier performance. Because of Intel's hybrid architecture, this chip routinely outperforms older 11th generation Core i7 processors, such as the 11800H. Whether you are a data analyst crunching massive spreadsheets, a computer science student compiling complex code projects, or a content creator managing creative timelines, this processor handles raw computing tasks with remarkable ease. But a fast processor means nothing if it gets choked by a lack of system memory, and that is where NIMO completely overdelivers. They have packed this configuration with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM. In a market where many laptops at this price point are still stingily offering 8 or 16 GB, 32 GB is an absolute game changer. You can keep dozens of memory-hungry web browser tabs active, run background AI assistant tools, jump into high-definition video meetings, and stream music all at the exact same time without a single hint of stutter or lag. To complement that massive multitasking capability, the laptop comes equipped with a lightning-fast 1 TB NVMe solid-state drive. This gives you an enormous amount of local storage for high-resolution projects, video files, and application installations, meaning you do not have to constantly carry around clunky external hard drives or pay monthly fees for cloud storage expansion. File transfers are near instantaneous, and booting up the laptop from a cold start takes just a matter of seconds. When you flip open the laptop, you are greeted by a clean, 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. The 1920 by 1080 resolution delivers crisp text and sharp visuals, which is exactly what you want for long hours of reading text, writing reports, or analyzing code. Because it utilizes an IPS panel, you get excellent 178-degree wide viewing angles and consistent color accuracy, meaning the screen does not look washed out or distorted if you tilt it back or view it from the side. Additionally, the physical chassis includes a flexible 180-degree hinge, allowing you to lay the laptop completely flat on a desk. This is incredibly useful when you want to collaborate on a project with a classmate or share a presentation with a client across a table. A laptop with great specs is only useful if it can actually survive a busy day on the move, and NIMO clearly designed this model with commuters, students, and frequent travelers in mind. The machine features a robust 53.58 watt-hour battery, which is designed to comfortably power you through long seminars, extensive study sessions, or a busy workday at a local cafe. But what truly eliminates low battery anxiety is the power delivery system. NIMO includes a high-capacity 100-watt Type-C fast charger right in the box. This charger is incredibly compact, and because it uses standard USB power delivery, it can power up the laptop from 0 to 50% in roughly 15 minutes during a quick coffee break. Even better, because it is a universal 100-watt Type-C charger, You can use this single power brick to fast charge your phone, your tablet, and your laptop all at once, allowing you to travel light and leave a tangled mess of proprietary charging cables at home. When it comes to daily usability, the small details are what separate a frustrating laptop from a joyful one. NIMO has paid close attention to the touchpoints you interact with every single day. For the night owls, late-night creators, and frequent flyers, the keyboard features an adjustable backlit system. Whether you are typing up a term paper in a dimly lit dorm room or catching up on emails during an overnight flight, the clear, uniform illumination ensures your keystrokes remain precise while drastically reducing eye strain. The typing experience itself feels snappy and satisfying, with good key travel that allows for fast typing speeds over long writing sessions. For security and convenience, the touchpad integrates a highly responsive fingerprint scanner. This allows you to securely log into Windows 11 in a fraction of a second, completely bypassing the need to type out long passwords in crowded public spaces where someone might be looking over your shoulder. For networking, the onboard Wi-Fi 6 card ensures that you maintain a rock-solid, high-speed wireless connection even when you are working in congested environments like crowded university libraries or airport terminals. To wrap things up, the NIMO 15.6-inch Core i5 laptop is an incredibly compelling package that punches well above its weight class. By pairing an 8-core Intel processor with an unprecedented 32 GB of RAM and a full terabyte of fast solid-state storage, NIMO has built a machine that trivializes heavy daily workloads. When you factor in the fast 100-watt universal charging, the premium backlit keyboard, the built-in fingerprint security, and the exceptional peace of mind provided by a 2-year warranty, this laptop emerges as a premier choice for students and working professionals alike. It proves that you do not need to spend an absolute fortune to get an uncompromising, future-proof productivity machine.